People, Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about an app called Feature Points because this is a free way that you can earn PayPal money. And basically, what you do is you come here, you download the app, but they made some changes. Like if you have an iPhone, you can't download this app anymore. I don't know what happened, but they don't. You have to have an Android phone or some kind of Android tablet. But iPhone, uh, they took it out the Google Play Store, so you only can download these apps if you have Android. And like as you can see, I have 3,000 points, and I have enough to withdraw. I'm going to show you. I have enough to withdraw now. I think like $5. And you can see, and it's $5. I can withdraw right now, but I'm gonna keep on downloading the apps and building the points. And my goal with this is to get this where I can withdraw 100 a day, and eventually get to withdrawing 1,000, at least 1,000 a week. But my main goal right now is to get to 100 a day, and that's basically like I just started this app, and I've been doing I've been killing it. Been up. I was up most of the night doing this, and there's still some other apps that I have. I'm playing their games, and I'm still working. And once I complete certain level, then I get more points. But I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do daily upload just to show you that I'm working the app. And if you wanna join, I'll leave my link in the description. And that's basically it. But you can do surveys. Surveys don't make as much. You make the most points from the apps. Because I'm working on a Walmart app, and that's like 3,000 some points just for that app. I think you have to do like start a free trial or something, and they'll give you 3,600 points, and that'll put me at 7,000. But I know a lot of people don't have money, and this is a way where you can build up the money to get to that next level. But this is a way where you can come in, you don't have to invest no money. You just download the apps, and every day just download the apps and just work it. So that's basically all I'm gonna do. But like me, I'm just doing this because I know it's people out here that don't have money, but they're looking for a way to make money, and this is a free way to make money. All you have to do when you join through my link. Uh, you get 50 coins. I get 50 coins from you joining through my link. I know I heard a lot of people say, "Oh, I'll give you free 50 coins." That's not the truth. When you join through anybody's link, you get 50 coins, they get 50 coins. So if they're telling you that they're giving you a coin, they're lying. So if you join the my link, you'll get they'll give you 50 coins for free, and then they'll give me 50 coins. But it's free to join, and you just gotta work these apps. Every 600 points is $1, so you just gotta work. My goal is to be able to cash out $100 a day through PayPal, and I'm gonna grind it out. So like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the video. Share this with your friends. If you're a kid watching this, this is perfect for you. This will give you something to do. It's a way for you to build up some money for yourself. And that's basically it. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.